bonjour. We are looking at how to pronounce this name of French origin. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced and confusing French names from fashion, luxury, and beyond, so make sure to stay tuned for this. So for reference in French, this is said as CREMIEUX. CREMIEUX. This is the name of a fashion brand, but also famously, it was the name of a French lawyer and politician, former Minister of Justice of France in history. CREMIEUX. Now, in English, if you cannot pronounce French very well, you can simply say it as CREMIEUX. CREMIEUX from French CREMIEUX. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? Well, after watching this, I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci.